Hello YouTubers, this is Atomic.dave, and it's been quite a while since I've done a video, so I figure I better do one. And I wanted to do like a quick demo of the units that I have for sale currently on eBay. Starting on the left, there's a pocket model budget with a internal SBT-9 Russian tube, which actually has alpha, beta, gamma, X-ray sensing capabilities. And as you can see, there's a alpha window here where you can see the mica for the tube, and then on the side here is where there's beta gamma venting. And this thing works great with Geiger Bot right out of the box, and it's not totally sensitive as some of the other ones, but it works pretty decently for background. And I'm going to show you later with some samples what these can do. But let's move on to the next one. These are oh yeah, back to this one here. This is actually based from a Cheney Electronics kit that I had a technician test, and we did some upgrades to it with swapping out some of the resistors and capacitors on it, and upgraded it so that it was a little more stable with longer battery life and a more current stable high voltage. So anyways, this one here is the MyGeiger, and the MyGeiger 2 with the SBM-20 tube right here on the back. You can see it, and the one next to it is the same. It's also a MyGeiger 2, but this one has the SD card logging capabilities right here on the side built in. So it has the same battery. These two will probably last a couple of months on a charge. And then next to that is the WIndscale 3.0 with the SBT-9 probe, just like in the budget model, but this one's actually in a probe. And the kit is from the DIY or do-it-yourself Geiger counter from user Bro Hogan. And next to that is finally the GKplus, and this one has GPS, SD card writer, full color display, and this one has got a new connector that I'm using for the probe, which is actually a miniXLR connector, which makes it nice because it actually has a quick disconnect just like that. And it's a little nicer than the standard BNC connectors that I have on the other ones, like on this WIndscale. See, it just snaps right on just like that. Can you see that? Just like that. Okay, so this one too also has the SBT-9 tube inside of it, but a little nicer probe with aluminum. So turn that back on, and I've also selling this one here, and I'm including it with a L&D pancake 7317 probe kit, and it comes with everything that you need, with also the miniXLR connector, and then on the inside the stainless steel screen and the gasket all on the inside. Okay, so and then also on the back we've got the NetIO GC10 with the SBM-20 also. And I've had two of these for sale now for quite some time on eBay. Not sure why they're not selling, but it's actually a really good model that's based off of a Japanese design, and it's one of the best selling Geiger counter kits in Japan right now. So let's go ahead and see what these things can do. I've got right here, I've got an old West clock here with the glow-in-the-dark hands that are uranium based, but these are a little hot. They're not real hot, but you could see from this that it picks up a little bit here from the SBT-9. Probably a little bit better on beta and gamma, so you can see it reacting to the SBM-20 a little bit better. The same with the MyGeiger. And also with this one too, it reacts to it a little bit. So you can see that the numbers are climbing up here. It was starting at about 10 counts per minute for background, and now it's going up to about 100. So this one here, the budget model, is a little sensitive. So, and it works great with Geiger Bot, and it also works with the Android app, Geiger Counter app. So now let's also try a hotter sample here, which is the SR90, and I've got my fancy tweezers here because people freak out when I hold it with my hands. So and I'll show you what it can do with the budget model here. But so you can see it's already climbing up to about 7,000 CPM, and that's going to the alpha window. I think it might even be higher on the beta gamma, because this is a beta source here. Maybe not. If I show you on the MyGeiger, it's really gonna freak out. Watch this. So yeah, pretty hot. 91 microsieverts per hour. And here it is with this one here, the GKplus model. Yeah, see, it's going nuts. See it? If you look at the counts on this one, it's actually counting up to about, I think it goes up to about 80,000 counts per minute from the micro window. Well, 33, 34, and climbing. Let's try here with this WIndscale. See, that one does about the same thing, being that it's the same tube. So yeah, there you go. These are all for sale now on eBay. I think this one's running about 105. There goes the alarm on the NetIO. 105 for that. I think this one's at 240, 260, 280 for this one, I believe, and this one's gonna run about 350 because I'm including it with the pancake, pancake probe kit. So this one's gonna be more. All right, Atomic Dave signing off.